Welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube, where the watches are the stars. And in this video, you are going to discover the 36th edition of the Mille Miglia Classic Chronograph. And you will discover, to be precise, 4 new watches that have different colors and executions. There's also a steel gold version among them.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
Chopard and Mille Miglia do partner since 1988. Time rushes so quickly. That's pretty... The 36th edition on your screen. And if you don't know what Mille Miglia is a world-famous race starting in Brescia in Italy. And you do race Mille Miglia, 1,000 miles back to Brescia, through Italy, through Rome, etc., etc. And it's a very dynamic and very quick and fast race. And yeah, Chopard is partnering with them since 1988. The 2023 models feature dials named Verde Chiaro, light green, and Rosso Amarena, cherry red, each with a circular satin brushed finished, or in Nero Corsa, racing black, with an engine-turned finish. And there is also a steel and gold version, B material version. This version features a satin-brushed dial in Italian Grigio-Blue, grey-blue. So these are the versions that Chopard presents this year. And all of these watches now are done in a 40.5 millimeter Lucent Steel case. And what is Lucent Steel? Lucent Steel is a steel alloy that Chopard has developed with an Austrian company, to be precise, with Böhler. And it is exclusive to Chopard. It is made out of recycled steel and new steel. And the two good things that steel does is it's first of all 50% harder than conventional steel. This is good because it scratches less. And it has a very bright and shiny light color. So if you ever have the possibility to compare normal steel to Lucent Steel in a good light, you will see that Lucent Steel is much whiter and brighter. The technical data I'm giving you now are the same for all the watches, so there's no difference. Said it before, the case diameter is 40.5 millimeter. The thickness of the case is 12.88 millimeters, and the case is waterproof up to 50 meters. All the watches you see on the screen in this video are powered by an ETA automatic movement. It is the ETA A32.211. That's a more technically advanced 2894, but the power reserve has dramatically been increased to 54 hours, so that's quite something and reasonable if you're wearing it and if you want to lay the watch down, so it will still run for about 50 hours at least. Also good to know is that the movement has been certified by COSC, so is precise to -4 + 6 seconds. It's a 4 Hertz movement, 28,800 semi-oscillation. So what will the chronograph display? It will display the 1/8 of a second through the 3 little dots that are in between the second dots. So if you look closely on the dial, you will see the second dot, so the second small lines, and in between you see 3 little dots. And this is always the indication for 4 Hertz or 28,800 semi-oscillations. What else do you see on this beautiful dial? There's a running second at 3 o'clock. You do have a 30-minute counter at 9 o'clock and a 12-hour counter at 6 o'clock. The date has been positioned at 4:30. That's nice. I know many of you don't like it. I find it very nice because the date, if it's positioned here, does not cut anything, does not disturb. So it's just there, and the readability is not bad as well. Whilst 3 of the watches are fitted with a rich brown calfskin leather strap, there is one of them. It is the one with the dial called in Italian Nero Corsa. This version features a rubber strap bearing, meaning a strap that is, a little bit looking like, or mostly looking like, the 1960s Dunlop racing tire. So that's something Chopard already sells for many, many years, and it's a typical possibility to recognize a Chopard watch. So that 1960s Dunlop racing tire style rubber strap. And in this case it is, on the watch with the black dial. The 2023 Mille Miglia chronographs are sold for 9,580 euros or 8,650 Swiss franc if you take the black one with the rubber strap. The two versions with the brown calfskin strap are sold for 9,800 euro or 8,850 Swiss francs. And the version, the steel gold version, or the version featuring a gold bezel with the calfskin strap too, is sold for 11,600 euro or 10,400 Swiss francs. All the prices I just named do include VAT. So for Europe, it is 20% VAT. These are the new Mille Miglia chronographs. So which one is your favorite? I'm keen to know that. Use the comment section and share your thoughts. And let me know. Maybe you own already one of these Mille Miglia chronographs. So it's the 36th edition. It's crazy. On and on, the story goes on, and it's a big success, of course. Your comments are mostly welcome. Thanks for watching another video on WatchAdvisor on YouTube, where the watches are the stars. Me, Alexander, I do say goodbye now, and I hope you will be back very soon. Bye-bye.